I started with my talk, and generally it's a very common practice. It's a very common practice that when we meet brothers in Islam to each other, we say Assalamualaikum. Translated is peace be upon you, peace be unto you. This is a practice of the Muslim community. Why? Because this is a teaching given in the eyes of Allah in the Quran. In the next ayah that I read is related that why we say Salamu Alaikum and why we people are saying and when we have to say peace be unto you, Salamu Alaikum. Al-Furqan 25 and ayah 63. وَعِبَادُ الرَّحْمَنِ وَعِبَادُ الرَّحْمَنِ الَّذِينَ يَمْشُونَ عَلَى الْأَرْضِ هَوْنًا وَإِذَا خَاطَبَهُمُ الْجَاهِلُونَ قَالُوا سَلَامًا. And the servants of most gracious are those who walk on earth with easiness, calmness, and when ignorant man addresses them, they say Salam. They say Salam, peace. Now Allah in this ayah, Allah is telling the behavior of those people who are the servants of most gracious, or in other words, who are believers and following and implementing the governing ayahs. They are Ibadur Rahman. And the servants of most gracious are those who walk on earth with calmness and easiness. Why they are walking with calmness and easiness? Why? Because they have attained peace. So they don't have to be arrogant. They have attained peace. They are walking with easiness and calmness. They have attained peace in life. They don't have to influence anybody. They don't have to bother about anybody. They are leading a peaceful life. So they are walking on earth with easiness and calmness. And when ignorant man addresses them, they say, Qalu Salama, peace. Peace, you understand? Peace. This is going on. So you must know what the ayah is telling to the ignorant, say Salam. When he khatabahum, khatab, he addresses you. Khatab in Arabic means to when he addresses you, a jahil man, ignorant. So you say Salam. So another ayat, Al-Qasas 28 and ayah 55. Now these ayahs are related to whom and how you say Salam, peace. وَإِذَا سَمِعُوا اللَّغْوَ أَعْرَضُوا عَنْهُ وَقَالُوا لَنَا أَعْمَالُنَا وَلَكُمْ أَعْمَالُكُمْ سَلَامٌ عَلَيْكُمْ لَا نَبْتَغِي الْجَاهِلِينَ. And when they hear idle talk, they avoid from it, and they say, our works or doings are for us, and your works or doings are for you. Salamu alaikum, salamun alaikum, peace be unto you. We do not seek the ignorant. We do not seek the ignorant. Now this, you see, what is an idle talk? Idle talk, lagu. Any discussion by which virtue there is no result. Idle talk, when there is no constructive discussion, there is no positive result of a discussion. This is an idle talk, just waste idle talk. Idle talk does not reaches with any. Allah says, when you hear this kind of discussion going on, when you hear an idle talk, they avoid from it. First of all, a believer who knows the ayahs, he listens for a while. What's the, this making no sense. This is just sarcasm and just criticizing, just walk off. But if they address you, then they say, our works for us. Our works are doings for us. وَقَالُوا لَنَا أَعْمَالُنَا. Our works for us. وَلَكُمْ أَعْمَالُكُمْ. And your works for you. Salamun alaykum, peace be unto you. So that means to the one who is an ignorant, Allah says, La nabtagil jahilin. We do not seek the ignorant. Again, he's an ignorant man. This ignorant man, we are continually saying Salamu alaikum to this ignorant. He is doing idle talks, no constructive, no results, no conclusive result is there. He's just an idle talker. And when he addresses you, Allah says, say Salam. Again he's saying, tell him that our works is for us. Your works is for you. What you are doing is for you. And Salamu alaikum, peace be unto you. Salam, peace be unto you. This expression you must come forward. And if you can't say this Salamu alaikum, believe me, you are not following ayat. You are not following the ayat if you meet an ignorant man and you do not open your mouth and said Assalamu alaikum. Instead your ego came. Instead of your ego came. If you knew the ayahs And when an ignorant addresses you, you have not addressed him, Assalamualaikum, peace, Salam, peace. You have not come with this. That means you are not following yourself the ayahs. This is the behavior on Ibadur Rahman. That when you talk to, first of all, you don't know he's an ignorant man. You just in few minutes you come to this an ignorant man. And if this, you know this ignorant man, you must know this ayahs, two ayahs. Either you tell him Salam, and then if you want to talk further, say our works is for us. Your works are for you. And Assalamualaikum, we do not seek the ignorance. This is an expression based on the ayahs, the behavior of the Ibadur Rahman, of the most gracious servants of Allah. We have to believe and practice this kind of behavior. This is the behavior of people who have to follow the Quran. So there are people who are ignorant, who will behave like this. So you should know how you should to tackle with this kind of people. They are there in the world. Now further if you go, another ayahs again to the believers now. Surah Al-Anam 6, ayah 54. وَإِذَا جَاءَكَ الَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِآيَاتِنَا فَقُلْ سَلَامٌ عَلَيْكُمْ كَتَبَ رَبُّكُمْ عَلَى نَفْسِهِ الرَّحْمَةِ أَنَّهُ مَنْ عَمِلَ مِنْكُمْ سُوءًا بِجَهَالَةٍ ثُمَّ تَابَ مِنْ بَعْدِهِ وَأَصْلَحَ فَأَنَّهُ غَفُورٌ رَحِيمٌ. And when they come to you who believe with our ayahs, signs, then they say, Salam, peace be on you. Your Lord has written mercy on himself. And among you who did bad in ignorance, then after then he repents, returns and corrects. Then surely he is forgiving, merciful. Now this is the behavior who believe in Allah's ayahs. Allah says when he comes to you, when people comes to the messenger, or this is a practice of the believers, when they come to you who believe with our ayats, they say, Salamun alaykum, peace be unto you. Salam means peace be unto you. So now these are the people who are saying this, are the servants of most gracious, Ibadur Rahman, or people who believe. People who believe in the ayahs, they say, Salamun alaykum, peace be unto you. So for that Allah says, your Lord has written mercy on himself. Your Lord has written mercy. Rahma kataba rabbukum ala nafsi rahma. Allah has written mercy on himself. And among you who did bad in ignorance, then after then he repents or amends or returns and corrects, then surely he is of forgiving, most merciful. Allah is merciful. So in this portion of an ayah, there is a behavior of the believers who believe in the Allah's ayahs. They say, Salamun alaykum, mean peace be unto you. We must know this. Even if you have got a chance, when you say to a person who doesn't know Arabic, or explain this salam to him. Believe me, if you think he's not a Muslim, you give him Salamu alaykum, and if you've got a chance, you explain what is salam on, peace be unto you. And explain this, how you attain peace. Do you have peace in life? Ask him. Do you have peace in life? And if he doesn't say, no, I don't have peace in life, then you should explain how to attain peace in life. He wants to have peace in life. You start a discussion with this, but first you must give the meaning of Salamu Alaikum. Why I'm saying Salamu Alaikum, you Christian? Why I'm saying Salamu Alaikum, you Buddhist? Why I'm saying Salamu Alaikum, you Hinduism? You follow Hindu Mazhab? Why I'm saying Salamu Alaikum? Basically I'm transferring or sharing peace on you. It's the start of discussion. And once you start a discussion, you tell him that you want to live in peace. Are you in peace? He may say, yes, I am, but no, you ask him in the real sense. Don't lie to yourself. Then he say, no. Then he will tell you some problem. Then you can refer an ayat to him. Then he says, this is how what is the Quran give you this? This is how it gives you guidance. So Allah in this ayah says, those people who believe in our ayahs, they say Salamu Alaikum. And when an ignorant man addresses them, they say Salam. One Alaikum, same Salam, say Salam, peace, 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 peace. So in all of our life, we have to share this word peace to other people. Not only Salam means peace. Peace to be shared within you and peace to be shared within the community. These ayahs that I am reading is the sharing of peace, the word peace itself also to other people. How can we share this peace word to other people? We have to first believe and practice the governing ayahs ourselves. Then we have to share this peace word itself to the other word by translating the word Islam or Salam into English or into Urdu if you're speaking in Urdu. By translation giving the meaning of the word. Because it is not being translated, it has become a foreign and alien word to all the nationalities of the world. This word is not being translated in any language of the world. They just put Islam as one word. One word.
The second question is regarding chapter 6 and verse 54 on the same page. When it says, and when they come to you who believe with our ayat signs, say Salam, your Lord has written mercy on himself. And among you who did bad in ignorance, then after that he repents, returns and correct, then surely he is of forgiving and merciful. Since I live in Canada, where I work or when I meet with other people, I personally don't say Salam. So it just popped up in my mind that I was like doing an ignorant thing. Now I should be saying Salam to the people whom I'm working with, even they are not the Muslims.
Yeah, if you meet, look, he will say, I went to Dubai. In the Muslim community, if you go, even the non-Muslims say Assalamualaikum. Believe me. These non-Muslims who are living in Dubai, I just went to Dubai and met foreigners there. They say Assalamualaikum. We say Walaikum Salam. He adopted the situation immediately when he came to Dubai in the Muslim world. So they are saying Salamu Alaikum, whether you believe, whether he doesn't know, he says Salamu Alaikum. So now you say good morning, good evening, good afternoon, or you can say good morning, Salamu Alaikum. You say peace be upon to you. Then he'll ask you, you can say, refer to the Bible. In the Bible, Jesus said when he used to meet people in the Bible, they say Shalom Alaikum. Shalom in Hebrew, Shalom. So peace in Hebrew also. So in the Bible there's a record also. So they also say Salamu Alaikum. So you can again start doing this. Occasionally, whenever you feel Assalamu Alaikum, he said, what do you say? I said, peace be unto you. So you can start.
That was maybe in Dubai it might be cultural because there are a lot
No, I'm talking about the non-Muslims. They came to the Muslim community and the Muslim community says Assalamu Alaikum. So the non-Muslims start saying Assalamu Alaikum.
Okay.
So now you're living in a Canada in a Christian country in a way where people are non-Muslims mostly. So you start saying good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Yeah. It's become practical because they are saying it. So you adopted their system. What you have to do is, within the meetings of people, you can say sometimes Salaam Alaikum. He will ask you, what did you say? He said, peace be unto you. I said in Arabic. And then the discussion will start, inshallah.
So if like people, they are not doing this, can I say that they are being ignorant? They say in the same ayat because they're not practicing that thing.
Yes, normally people do not practice this.
Yeah.
So this, now from the ayat you have come to, we have to say Salaam Alaikum. If the person is ignorant, and he's addressing you, Jahil, then you have to say to him also Assalamu Alaikum. Salam, you have to send this peace to everybody. This you must know.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.